Welcome to Cleantie video tutorial number 10, Driver app. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process of how to use Cleantie Driver. The app offers a complete and comprehensive route planning system with an optimization technology. Cut down on operating costs, reduce drive time and mileage, and improve customer service with Cleantie Route Planning Solution. Identify the shortest, fastest, and most efficient routes within seconds, and take the headache out of route planning and scheduling. Monitor delivery time, number of deliveries, ratings and reviews of drivers, canceled, undelivered, and delayed orders, and much more to help you take control of your business. Optimize deliveries with complete route management software. Cleantie Interactive Manifest uses the real-time route manager to provide you with step-by-step delivery instructions. Delivery drivers can save time and fuel with information on traffic conditions, distances between points, and estimated travel times. Let customers know when a delivery is started, when it should be expected, and when it's arriving with an automatic SMS notification. The Cleantie Driver app has an integrated communication tool that allows drivers to make a call or send a direct message to the customer with a single tap. Cleantie Driver app sign-up process. Once you've been invited to your company's instance of Cleantie Driver app, you should receive SMS notification to activate your account with the download link. The type of smartphone the driver is using is automatically detected, and the correct version of the app will be downloaded. Open the app and enter your mobile phone number. A security code is sent to your mobile phone and must be used to activate your account. Upon successful activation, tap the hamburger icon located in the top left corner of the screen to access the main menu. Select Profile to update your personal details, language preference, your default truck details, etc. Select Settings to set up your privacy settings, preferred navigation app like Google Map or Waze. To view all pending live pickup requests, select Pickup Requests from the main menu. All new pickup requests will be sent to the driver app via push notifications. Select Analytics to view a summary of your statistics such as number of tasks completed, travel time, task delivery delay time, and time on duty. From the main menu, touch the right-hand side of the menu to go back to previous active screen. To load the manifest, you must first go on duty on the on-off duty toggle switch at the top of the manifest screen. Turn off the switch when you are off the duty. You may use the profile to access the duty switch. Select Manifest to get started. You should be able to see the active manifest and truck that has been assigned to you. Select today's manifest and your assigned truck from the drop-down menu. Tap on the Start button to get started. All delivery invoices for the selected run are shown on the screen with total pieces and conveyor location. Invoices must be scanned using the Scan option or confirmed manually. Select Scan icon to scan the orders. The Keep On Scanner option is used to keep the scanner on continually while scanning. You may enable/disable this feature through the app settings. You may use the Select option to select either all or individual invoices. Alternatively, you can use the Enter option to enter the invoice number manually. Through the scanning process, the invoice is verified, confirmed, and added to the delivery list. Invalid invoices are rejected. The scanning process helps the driver to catch any invalid orders and avoid missing orders. Upon completion of scanning process, press the truck icon on the top right corner of the screen to load the truck. The optimized delivery list is displayed based on stop number. To make it easier to navigate, pickup locations are marked in blue, and delivery locations are marked in purple. Select the map icon at the bottom of the screen to see the pickup delivery locations on the map. The number on each location pin indicates the stop number that is assigned to the task. Tap the pin to see the details of the customer. Tap on the delivery icon to go back to delivery screen and select the next stop. Tap on the Go button to start the navigation process. Once prompted, confirm that you intend to share your location with the customer during the task. Once it is confirmed, your favorite navigation app icon appears on the map. Select that icon to start the guidance. Follow the navigation guidance to the destination. A notification text message is automatically sent to the customer, indicating estimated arrival time and a link to track the driver location. The driver app will automatically switch to the navigation app of your choice. Once you have arrived at the location, go back to the Cleantie Driver app by either tapping on the top left corner of the screen or by using your phone's app switcher. Tap on I have arrived located at the bottom of the screen. The app then checks to ensure you have arrived at the specified location. If not, a warning message is displayed. Cleantie Driver has an integrated customer communication tool that allows customers to call or send a direct message to the driver or store with a single tap. The app enforces completion requirements through a collection of invoice barcodes, delivery images, notes, and signatures. Tap on the scanner icon to scan the laundry bag or invoices being dropped off. Tap the photo icon to capture image of the delivery. Use the notes icon to make any notes. If a signature is required, use the signature icon to capture the customer's signature as proof of delivery. Upon successful completion, select the green check mark to indicate success. If, for whatever reason, the task is not completed, select the red X icon to indicate failure and select the reason. Select the Complete Task button to finish the task. Upon successful task completion, a text message is sent to the customer. Select the next stop and follow the same process as before. If you wish to contact a customer, select the search icon located on the bottom right corner. Communicate with a customer by either tapping the phone icon for calling or the message icon for text messaging. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos.